Would you use extra cash flowing into your bank account daily from a work-at-home job? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome and buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the world of online opportunities that can provide you with a steady income right from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will be unveiling 7 incredible websites that are renowned for their reliability and convenience when it comes to work-at-home jobs. These platforms offer a vast array of opportunities designed to suit a wide range of skills and interests. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just contemplating dipping your toes in the digital workspace, these websites are a fantastic place to start. They offer the flexibility of working at your own pace, coupled with the assurance of daily payments. From writing gigs to virtual assistants, graphic design and more, there's something for everyone. So without further ado, let's dive into the first website. First up, we have Fiverr, a popular platform for freelancers. Fiverr is a marketplace that connects freelancers, also known as sellers, with businesses and individuals known as buyers. Now, what makes Fiverr stand out is its diverse range of services, or gigs as they're commonly referred to in the Fiverr community. From graphic design and content writing to coding and voiceover work, the possibilities are virtually limitless. You can even offer unique gigs based on your personal skills or hobbies. Maybe you're a whiz at creating custom pet portraits, or perhaps you've mastered the art of writing catchy jingles. On Fiverr, you can turn these talents into a source of income. But how does the payment work, you ask? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Once a buyer purchases your gig, you get to work. After you've delivered your service and it's been approved by the buyer, Fiverr credits your account with the payment. What's more, Fiverr ensures you get paid within 24 hours of your work being approved. Of course, Fiverr does take a commission, but that's a small price to pay for the convenience and opportunities it offers. Plus, the more gigs you successfully complete, the higher you can set your prices. So, while you might start off with $5 gigs, you could soon be earning much more. Fiverr is a great place to start if you have a unique skill to offer. Next on our list is Upwork, another fantastic platform for freelancers. Known for its professional environment and wide array of job categories, Upwork is a hub for talented individuals from all over the globe. Unlike Fiverr, which is project-based, Upwork provides opportunities for both short-term tasks and long-term contracts. This means you can engage in a quick one-off job or commit to an ongoing project, depending on your preference and availability. It's like a smorgasbord of opportunities, ranging from web development, writing, design, marketing to customer service, and so much more. But what sets Upwork apart? It's their commitment to creating a secure and fair platform for both freelancers and employers. Upwork ensures that every job posted is legitimate and every payment is protected. When a job is completed and approved, the payment is released and can be withdrawn daily. Yes, you heard that right. Daily payouts are possible on Upwork. Now let's talk about rates. On Upwork, freelancers set their own rates. This means you can charge based on your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the table. It's a model that respects your expertise and rewards quality work. So if you're ready to take your freelancing journey to the next level, Upwork might just be the platform for you. It's time to step into the professional realm, showcase your skills, and get paid for your talent daily. Upwork is an excellent choice for those looking for more professional freelancing gigs. Now let's talk about Clickworker, a site offering simple tasks for quick money. Picture a digital marketplace where businesses and individuals outsource quick, simple tasks that computers can't do. That's Clickworker in a nutshell. The tasks can be as simple as verifying street signs on a map or categorizing data, even something as straightforward as completing surveys or testing apps. What's more, you don't need any special skills or qualifications to do them. All you need is a device with an internet connection and a bit of free time. The payment system is straightforward too. Clickworker pays its users daily for the tasks they complete, making it an ideal platform for those who need to make money quickly. The rate per task varies, but the simplicity and speed of the tasks make it worth your time. In a world where time is money, Clickworker is perfect for those looking for simple, quick tasks to earn money. We're halfway through. Let's quickly go through the remaining websites. Our journey continues with Amazon Mechanical Turk, or as it's fondly known, M-Turk. This crowdsourcing marketplace is part of Amazon Web Services, and it's where businesses and developers outsource tasks that require human intelligence, tasks that computers can't quite grapple with just yet. These tasks, labeled as HITs, human intelligence tasks, range from data validation and research to content moderation. Once you've completed a hit, you receive payment directly into your Amazon Payments account. It's a fascinating way to earn some cash while contributing to the world of AI. Next up, let's talk about Rover. If you're an animal lover, this one's for you. Rover is a platform that connects pet owners with pet sitters and dog walkers. It's a wonderful way to earn money doing something you love, and better yet, it's very flexible. You can choose the services you want to offer, set your own rates, and work when it suits you. Payment is straightforward. Once you've completed a service, the money is transferred to your Rover account within 2 days. We then move on to Field Agent. This is a unique platform that turns everyday activities into earning opportunities. As a field agent, you're paid to gather information like checking prices in your local stores or taking photos of products. It's like a treasure hunt, but the treasure is real money. Once you've completed a task, you submit it through the app, and after it's approved, the money is transferred to your account. It's a great way to make your daily errands more profitable. Last, but certainly not least, is TaskRabbit. This platform is all about connecting people who need tasks done with taskers who have the skills to do them. These tasks can be anything from furniture assembly and moving help to personal assistant tasks and even minor home repairs. You set your own rates, and once a task is completed, payment is deposited directly into your TaskRabbit account. It's a brilliant way to monetize your skills and fill up any free time you might have. Remember, all these platforms have one thing in common: they offer flexibility. You can choose when you want to work, how much you want to work, and in some cases, even set your own rates. But it's not just about the money, it's also about the experience. These websites give you the opportunity to learn new skills, meet new people, and even contribute to meaningful projects. So whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or you're in search of a more flexible work arrangement, these websites offer a wealth of opportunities. These websites offer a variety of jobs, so you're bound to find something that suits you. So there you have it, 7 websites that pay you every day. Let's revisit what we've discovered together. We kicked off with Fiverr, a platform where you can sell your services in virtually any field. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or a voiceover artist, Fiverr is a marketplace that values your skills. It's a great place to start your freelancing journey or diversify your income streams. Next, we moved on to Upwork, another fantastic platform for freelancers. Upwork offers a broader range of job categories compared to Fiverr, making it an excellent choice for those with specialized skills. Remember, the key to success on Upwork is crafting a compelling profile and proposal. We then explored Clickworker, a platform for those who prefer micro-jobs. Clickworker is all about flexibility. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want. The tasks are straightforward and don't require any specialized skills. Last but not least, we discussed 4 more websites that offer daily payouts. These platforms cater to a variety of skills and interests. Whether you're into transcription, teaching, testing websites, or filling out surveys, there's a platform out there for you. Now, it's crucial to remember that finding a job that suits your skills and interests is paramount. It's not just about earning money, it's about enjoying what you do. Therefore, take the time to explore these platforms, understand what they offer, and see where you fit in. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. We're living in an era where you can earn a living without stepping foot outside your home. It's a time where skills are valued more than traditional qualifications. So don't wait around for opportunities to knock on your door. Get out there, or rather get online, and start exploring these platforms. Each of them has something unique to offer, and you never know, one of them might just be the perfect fit for you. Remember, these sites provide opportunities, but it's up to you to take advantage of them. Start earning today.